Hello friends, first of all, welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Now friends, let's move to the details of this video. As far as we are concerned with this video, then the answer to this question is very simple and very easy, that in this video collection I am here with you along with a very stylish and very beautiful patterns of hand embroidered sweaters. Yes, you have heard right, that I am sharing very pretty, very beautiful, decent and elegant designs of side neck, shoulder neck, all over, full on heavy embroidered and multiple various designs of sweater embroidery. That is, from this entire video you would get very creative, amazing and stylish ideas that how you can design your sweaters with the art of hand embroidery. Friends, as you know that winters are in, and in this season we used to wear knitted stuffs like knitted sweaters, knitted cardigans, knitted tops, knitted shirts or whatever made up of handmade wool. So from this collection you can get three different type of creative ideas. One, you can get ideas how you can make your sweater patterns, how you can knit using the art of crochet, different design patterns could be seen. And secondly, you can get creative and amazing ideas of hand embroidery. And third, you can use these exactly same patterns of hand embroidery for doing or making machine embroidery sweaters. So I hope that my today's video would be helpful and useful for you and would give you some artistic stylish ideas. And one more thing that I forgot to explain, that my today's video collection is specifically based on one color, that is a black color, that how you can design your black sweaters or black cardigans or any other sort of black upper, because black is the color that we used to wear every time and it's the choice of every girl, woman, even child. So, and black is a color that reflects every color very beautifully and predict the beauty of other colors onto itself. So I hope today's video would be useful for you. You can use thin, thick and medium embroidery wool for making these embroidery patterns, and even you can use knitting wools as well to make the exact color combination and pattern of the sweaters. You can make them sleeveless, sleeves, half, round, full, quarter sleeves as well. A different variety of designs have been shared. So allow me to leave. Don't go anywhere. Watch the video till end. If you really like this video, don't forget to like. If you are new to my channel or watching my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, because on my channel you can get all sort of creative, amazing, artistic and eye-catching design ideas related to women fashion. So stay blessed, be a cause of positive motivation for others and help your friends and family to achieve their goals. Up till then, take care. We will soon be back along with some new design ideas and new creativity.